Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel, and today we are going to prepare goat meat light soup. This soup is so delicious and it tastes so good. Let's get started. So I have my goat meat here. It's all thoroughly cleaned, and I'm going to add in some all-purpose seasoning. Then I will add in some salt, some salted beef, and this is my blended mixed spice, which is a mixture of ginger, garlic, onion, pepper, aniseed, cloves, and rosemary. You blend it all together and then mix it all together with the meat. So over here I've got tomato, onion, and scotch bonnet pepper. We're going to add it to the meat and then cook it all together. We want to make the tomato, onion, and the scotch bonnet pepper soft. So cover it and we're going to let it cook for 20 minutes. I like to mix the tomato in a can and fresh tomato together when making light soup or any other soup. So at this point, the tomato, onion, and the scotch bonnet pepper is ready to blend. So I'm just going to take it all out. So we're going to let this cook for about 2 minutes. So cover it. I normally add extra ginger to my soup just to give it that kick. And remember, ginger is also good for your health. So we're going to blend this and then add it to the soup. Oh my, the aroma in the kitchen, guys. At this point, I'm going to add in some tomato paste. We're going to mix it all together with the meat just to give it that orange color. We're going to let it cook for about 5 minutes. This look beautiful. At this point, I'm going to add in my blended mix. I'm going to strain it so that the soup will be smooth. Add in the rest of the mix. I've rinsed the blender with water and then added it to the soup. So at this point, I'm going to give it a stir and then I will cover, let it cook for about 20 minutes. This is to help the juice from the meat and the flavors from the blended mixture to infuse together. This makes the soup taste really nice. Whilst waiting for the 20 minutes to be up, make sure you stir in between. cover it back and let it cook for another 10 minutes. This looks beautiful. So I'm going to add boiling water to my soup, and then I will let the soup cook for another 25 to 30 minutes. Add salt, add scotch bonnet. You can use paprika. The scotch bonnet pepper and the paprika is optional, but I like to add it to my soup because I want that extra kick to my soup. Now, thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. You can serve this soup with fufu, kenke, banku, rice, or you can have it on its own. Thank you for watching. Till the next video, bye for now.